Orange pepper Celtic salt. Let's make it. Growing up as a Jamaican, salt was just salt. And we use the same salt for everything. As I'm getting older and getting more into food and health, I'm learning that Celtic sea salt is the best salt for you. And as a woman of color, I'm very aware that hypertension, aka high blood pressure, is more prevalent in my race than any other. So of course, finding the best salt is very important to me, and it should be very important to you as well. Celtic sea salt is a type of salt harvested from coastlines after the water evaporates. It is known for its grayish color, its grain size, and the flavor. Keep in mind, any salt you're using should be used in moderation. But I got this natural Celtic sea salt from Celtic Coastal. You don't need glasses to see how natural this looks. See, it kind of have that wet look and heavyish, but it's not wet. As you can see, the gloves didn't get wet. So from now on, this is the salt that I'll be using. And I decided to create all the salts that I like from this one Celtic salt. The first one I'm making is a Celtic pepper salt. I added some of the Celtic salt to my small blender cup with some pepper flakes, some red pepper flake. I blended that out. Then I spread it out on a tray, dehydrated it in my smart toaster oven. I dehydrated on 150, and that one only needed 20 minutes. Because as you can see, pepper flakes were already dry. And I moved on to make my orange pepper Celtic salt. Peel an orange to get the peel. And remember, try to get the peel without the white inside part. If you get little, I guess it's okay, but I try to get as least as possible. Add it to the small blender cup and blend until most of the orange skin blend out. Then I added my red pepper flakes to it and blend again. Added it to another baking tray, spread it out. This one I dehydrated for about an hour and a half on the same 150. Keep in mind, you can dry your orange peel and then blend it with the salt. However, I wanted the maximum flavor from my orange. This one was a Celtic pepper, and like I said, it was ready after about 20 minutes. And all I did was just use my hand to just run over it and just smooth it out. And then I bottled it up or jar it up. So this is just salt and pepper, so use it anyhow you'd use salt and pepper. You can even put it in a shaker bottle so you can sprinkle. I might actually get a few more shaker bottle in the store and do that, but for now I sat it in that one. Now for the orange pepper Celtic salt, I wanted this to use like as a rub for your chicken, your pork, or your chicken wings. So say for example, you fry off your chicken wing, hit it with some honey, and then you sprinkle some of your orange pepper Celtic salt over it. Oh my god, I have to do that soon. I also made a garlic Celtic salt. However, that one is dehydrating still because I blended the fresh garlic with the Celtic salt. Again, I want maximum flavor. However, an easier way to do it is to dehydrate your garlic and then blend it with the salt. Also, in the process of blending just some of the Celtic salt to make a fine salt so I can use to fry my plantain. I left a link so you guys can try it, but I wanted to share this.